Mr. President,
distinguished
Honorable
delegates,
Secretary General,
ladies and gentlemen, demands
The 1.3
determined action
billion
by the international community.
the millions of
Mr.
Muslims
President, after
living
decades,
in no
this
other
indigenous uprising of the refugees have been met as usual. Pakistan wants peace with India. We have gone the extra mile to achieve this.
Let's get together. Let's resolve our differences through trade. Let's build a relationship on trust.
Over 100 Kashmiris have been killed, hundreds, including children and infants, blinded by shotgun pellets.
Women, children, sick people, locked in.